In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. If your playlist is jumping around or you're hearing tracks that aren't even in your collection, there are two quick settings to check. One controls the order of songs inside your playlist, and the other controls whether Spotify adds recommended tracks after your music ends. Let's walk through both so your listening stays exactly how you want it. First, let's make sure shuffle is off. Open your Spotify app and start playing any song from the playlist you want to listen to in order. On the player screen, look for the shuffle icon, the one with two crossing arrows. Spotify uses color to show its status. If the icon is green, shuffle is turned on, which means Spotify will mix up the order of the songs in your playlist. If it's gray, shuffle is off. Tap the shuffle icon until it turns gray. Once you do that, your songs will play in the order they appear in the playlist. If you notice tracks still jumping around, double check that you're looking at the now playing screen for the playlist you started and that the shuffle icon hasn't turned green again. Next, if Spotify keeps adding songs that aren't in your playlist, you'll want to turn off autoplay. Autoplay is a feature that, when your playlist ends, automatically continues playback with similar recommended songs. To turn it off, open the Spotify app, tap home at the bottom left, then tap the settings gear in the top right. Choose playback, scroll down until you see autoplay, and toggle autoplay off. With autoplay off, Spotify won't add suggested tracks after your playlist finishes. Playback will stop at the end, exactly as expected. To quickly recap, turning off shuffle fixes the order of songs within your playlist. So you'll hear track 1, then track 2, and so on. Turning off autoplay stops Spotify from pulling in outside songs once your playlist ends. Use both together if you want a completely predictable listening experience. Your playlist plays straight through and then it stops. That's all you need to get rid of random or unexpected songs on Spotify. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, no nonsense Spotify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your music just the way you planned it.